Okay, hey, this is Coach Chris. I'm just going to share with you real quick. I know a lot of people get on board here and they struggle to figure out how they can get their points, where they get their affiliate link. I'm just going to show you real quick. If you look right here in app earnings, that middle box, you can see that ARP points today, 1 out of 5. That's for logging in. That's what I get for today. All right. If you want to go find your affiliate link, you're just going to scroll all the way down on your dashboard page, all the way down. You see how it is right there, right there. Copy that whole thing and you just send that out. So there's your affiliate link. All right. You want to make sure you hit this menu button here and go all the way through. You can see how to deposit. All of your stuff that you need is right there. But I'm going to share with you right now how you can start to earn. So these ads right here, hey, look over here where it says click here now. Click right there. Now you can see right up top, wait for 13 seconds to get credit for this link. All right, so what will happen is when the system is live, those will be the spots where we will put our ads. So somebody will click on yours or mine. They'll watch it and wait for it for the next. And look up top, it says your account has been credited with 1 AR point. Okay, so if I go, and this is always funny here, there's a little glitchy on the phone. I found that you got to log back in to get back in there, or there could be another way that I'm just not doing, but and then the layout changes. So look, now I have 2.5 ARP points right there. You see that? So let's scroll down here a little bit more. I'm going to go to like another one. Let's go to a banner. Click that your banner ad here, 125 by 125, the yellow. I'm going to click that. Opens it up. Oh, I got to wait 14 seconds to get credit for this link. Okay, so again, those are going to be the banners. Those are going to be the ads that we put out there. And so it's going to be dependent upon how creative we get people to open and stay on our page. Okay, I got another AR point. All right, so if I go to home page. Okay, so again, let me just go to log out. Let me log in again. Let's see, this is so weird. There we go. Okay, so now I have 3 out of 5. Now let's go down here. If I click on this banner right here, the one that goes across. All right, 14 seconds. Now let's just see. So those of you that are wondering how you get these points for the day, this is how you do it. Once the site opens, there'll be a bunch of other different ads that we put there because the ad packages that we pay for, that's what we're paying for. So now let's look again here. Let's go back to have to do this on the phone. Weird like this. Okay, go past that. Okay, now I am at 4 out of 5. So I got to do one more thing. Now, some of these things, when you click on them, they don't give you the credit because you've gotten credit for something else. But click on the text ads, click on the banner ads, click on the links, and you should get all your points for the day. Hopefully that helps.